Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation 9 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x is equal to 999. So to solve this, I'm going to first start by factoring out 9 to the power of x on my left-hand side. So I get 9 to the power of x times 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 999. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, so I get 9 to the power of x times 3 is equal to 999. From here, I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So these two cancel out, and I get 9 to the power of x is equal to 999 divided by 3, which is 333. Alright, so from here, I'm going to take the log on both sides. So I get log 9 to the power of x is equal to log 333. And if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, this is equal to b times log a. So log 9 to the power of x, I can move the x to the front. So I get x times log 9, which is equal to log 333. From here, I'm going to divide both sides by log 9 because we obviously want to isolate x. So these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to log of 333 over log 9. Now, I can rewrite log of 333 as log of 3 times 111. And I can rewrite log of 9 as log of 3 squared. Now, we know that if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can move b to the front. Another property of logarithms is that if I have something in the form log a times b, this is equal to log a plus log b. So I get x is equal to log 3 plus log 111 over 2 times log 3. And this is equal to log of 3 over 2 times log 3 plus log of 111 over 2 times log 3. So now these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to 1/2 plus log of 111 over 2 times 3, log 3. So now log of 111 is equal to 2.045. So I get x is equal to 1/2 plus 2.045 over 2 times log 3. And log 3 now is equal to 0.301. So I get x is equal to 1/2 plus 2.045 over 2 times 0.301, which is 0.602. So now log of 111, which is 2.05, divided by 0.602 is equal to 3.397, which is the same thing as 3.40. So if I add 1/2 to this, I get 3.90 as my solution. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation x to the power of 3 minus 8 is equal to 0. So how most people solve this equation is they add 8 on both sides. So I get x to the power of 3 is equal to 8. And then they take the cube root on both sides. So the cube root of x to the power of 3 is x, and the cube root of 8 is 2. So then they get x equals 2, which is a solution to this equation. But actually, there are more than one solution to this equation. So I'm going to rewrite my equation here, x to the power of 3 minus 8 equals 0. And now I'm going to rewrite 8 as 2 to the power of 3. So I get x to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. And then now I'm going to use the formula a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So in this case, this turned into x minus 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So now I get two equations. I get x minus 2 equals 0 and x squared plus 2x plus 4 equals 0. So for x minus 2 equals 0, I get x equals 2, which was a solution that we already got. But now see, on top of this, we have a whole nother equation with two more solutions because it's a quadratic equation. So to solve this, I'm going to use the quadratic formula. So I get negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 2 squared, which is 4, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 4, all over 2a, so 2 times 1. And this turns into negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus 16 over 2, which is equal to negative 2 plus or minus negative 12 over 2, which is equal to negative 2 plus or minus 12i over 2, which is equal to negative 1 plus or minus 6i. So these are the two more solutions to this equation.